Rooster Man here, and I got a special request. That's what this video is about. Hey, just get on my video, Rooster Boy. There's this little girl that I know. Her name's Sylvia. Sylvia Burrows. And it's her 11th birthday. That's 1-1. So, I'm going to give her a big old shout out because I love them chitlins and rooster boys and baby hens and middle hens and whatever you want to call them. Rooster Man just love them to death. I'm going to knock you out, Rooster Boy, if you don't stay out my bed. Alright. Now, Sylvia goes to Atkinson School, which means next year she's going to be in middle school. Middle school. Oh, Lord have mercy, that's scary. Yep. Mom ain't gonna like that. Well, since Rooster Boy won't stay out of my video, I reckon he's gonna sing happy birthday with me to Sylvia. So you better sing, Rooster Boy, I'll knock you out. You gonna sing? Okay, what are you gonna say? Happy birthday, Sylvia. Okay, here we go. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to Sylvia. Happy birthday to Sylvia. Happy birthday to Sylvia. Happy birthday to you. So happy birthday, Sylvia.